Hey guys, it's Mike here from Open English. Guys, the next time someone gets angry at you, instead of saying to them, hey, calm down, or hey, don't get upset, you can say, hey, don't get your knickers in a knot. Don't get your knickers in a knot. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, knickers are underwear, right? Ropa interiores. And a knot is a nudo. So when you say to somebody, don't get your knickers in a knot, you're actually saying, literally, no amarrar un nudo en sus ropas interiores. Which doesn't really make any sense, but hey, it's an idiomatic expression. It's not supposed to make literal sense. So again, to not get your knickers in a knot means don't get upset. Don't get angry. You know, if your boss says to you, oh my God, I can't believe that you're late on this project, you'd say, hey, come on, don't get your knickers in a knot. Now, mind you, it's not necessarily polite, so it's not really something you'd want to say to your boss. But you can definitely say it to a friend, or you can say it to your teacher. When I say to you next time, hey, come on, you didn't do your homework, you say to me, hey, Mike, don't get your knickers in a knot. Guys, if you like these videos, subscribe, and as always, have a fantastic day.